Good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 8 of our com235 class. This is Mark, your instructor here, and I want to start off this video update by commending you and congratulating you on making it this far and for doing a really good job. I'm looking through the different assignments each day, looking at your discussion posts, responding to your conversations, and I just want to tell you that I think you're doing a wonderful job. It looks like everybody's on track. Everybody's keeping up fairly well, and it looks like we're shaping up to a good term. We have week 8, 9, and 10, and we will be finished. So please take a look at the grade book and make sure that you are keeping up, that everything that you've done has been graded, and there are no surprises there. If you see something that's not been graded that you think you did, shoot me a text message, tell me who you are and what that assignment is. We'll check and see what's going on with it. In week 8, we will be discussing Microsoft Access. If you'll remember, we just finished up talking about Access in week 7, talking about tables. And tables is where we build a database, if you will, and create a repository for information. Looks a lot like an Excel spreadsheet, but we basically we have different terminology and a little bit of different setup, and we set up a database, a table, if you will, for the inputting of data, and that's where all that data resides. And we can have multiple tables, and then we can have multiple owners or users of the same tables, or even different tables, if you think about it. And they all through a key, a special key, if you will, can be linked. So we've been talking about that and working on some of those things, and now we're going to start talking about queries. And a query is simply asking a question. Imagine you have a table that is full of data, and you're simply going to try to extract some information from that table or ask a question, and the information's coming out of that table, if you will. So a query is simply setting up a question. How do I get information out of the database that I want to know? Like how many people live in Greensboro, or how many people go to ANU, or how many people have a certain area code, or how many people live in the state of California. Those are queries. And the query looks at the tables and brings back the information to you. So we're going to be talking about how to do those things, okay? So with that said, I think tables and queries, and then we'll be looking at forms and reports. I think those basic things take a little bit of learning, but they're not too hard. They're just a little bit different than what you see, for example, in Word or Excel or even PowerPoint. So we'll be looking at those in the upcoming weeks. If you have any concerns or questions or anything that you need help with, please reach out to me. I'm available to you. So I congratulate you again on a job well done so far, and I'll see you in class.